The Constitutional Court recently repealed and decriminalized petty offences charged under the launch and vagabond from the penal code. Police also acknowledged the court ruling and immediately affected it, but warned that some disorders like being a public nuisance are still punishable.
Leadership of the police has acknowledged the Constitutional Court ruling that repealed the decriminalized the petty offense of rogue and vagabond from the Penal Code Act after it was found to be vague, archaic, and unconstitutional. All police officers have, with immediate effect, been asked to fully comply with the ruling and stop any arrests for those minor infractions of rogue and vagabond.
The ruling has been welcomed as a relief, saying innocent people had suffered wrongful arrests and conviction under this law.
It is therefore a huge relief for us to receive this judgment that clearly tells police authorities that simply looking suspicious or wandering in a public place is not a crime.
From there, different organizations of attachment, a section of activists saying security organs, especially police, to be briefed on the provisions of the ruling.
We're going to liaise with our members in these regions, and they will have the capacity and have a clear understanding, and we shall also do deep analysis on how best we can be able to enroll this within the country.
Police and the state should respect the spirit within which the Constitutional Court passed this judgment and desist from arresting people under those other petty offences which are also similar in nature to the rogue and vagabond offences.
Justin Ibalia, a lawyer at the Human Rights Awareness and Protection Forum, who said that courts should also act to the occasion and list people who were arrested under the particular law, especially those who have not yet been convicted.
Who have already been arrested for being rogue and vagabond under those two subsections, but who haven't yet been convicted should ideally not be convicted. This is the point when such cases are dismissed by the magistrates who are handling them, and these people are allowed to go back home to their families because they can no longer charge them with something that the court has already said is
Among the decriminalized provisions include being idle and disorderly, being a prostitute, and dressing indecently, among others. Andrew Sebira compiled this report for UBC News.